It's my first visit here at the coaching which Ronald offers, and I hope it's not the last. It won't be. I'm the kind of person who at least instantly recognizes people who are genuine, and I see the passion in him. He enjoys transforming lives, and he takes it upon himself, and he's actually definitely stirred that little change in me. We have learnt it, or the process already begun inside, and you need that push all the time. Rightly said, because we live in a day and age where there's so many challenges on daily basis, and life kind of sucks us up, and you need that push constantly. Thankfully, I've had one or two people in my life who have said that, who believed in me, Renu, you can do it, you can do it. I motivate myself a lot, but listening to him, yes, I would like that kind of a knowledge being passed on to me by somebody who has coached a lot of people, and I see a lot of value in it.